Fermentation systems. Fermentation systems is made up of fermentation tank and bright beer tank. According to different fermenting requests, structure of fermentation tank be designed accordingly. Generally, fermentation tank structure is disc head and cone bottom, with polyurethane installation and dimple cooling jackets. There is a cooling jacket on tank cone section. Columnar part has 2 or 3 cooling jackets. This not only can meet the relevant requirements of cooling, guarantee cooling rate of fermentation tank, also help to precipitation and storage the yeast. Consists of mash tun, lauter tun, boiler kettle, whirlpool kettle, hop dosing equipment. Brewing equipment is the key equipment for beer production. The main equipment adopted international standards of sanitary 304 stainless steel. All the main parts of the part are mirror polished. External frosted polishing ensure to provide customers with advanced technology, high quality and competitive price. Luxurious and beautiful brew house system.